Hi friends, today we are going to see how to download the JDK 8 version to your machine. First, go to the Google and search Java JDK 8 download and click this oracle.com page JDK SC development kit 8 download, and after that you can see that many JDK versions according to your operating system. You can click the JDK version. If your Linux 64-bit, click this link, then you can download your JDK for the Linux. In here you can download the JDK version for the Mac OS. In here, this is for Windows 32-bit, this is for Windows 64-bit, and you can click this link and accept the license, and you can download the JDK 8 version. I already download, so I close this and click here. I download JDK 11 version, but the JDK 8 version is good to install, so you go with the JDK 8. Click the yes and click the next, and in here go with the default setting, so next, and it will start to install. And click the next step and close this. Your installation is finished. After that, you want to set up your path variable. It is very important to set up that. So click your this PC and right click and go to the properties. In the properties, you can find the advanced system setting. Click this and go to the environmental variable in here, and you can find in the system variable you can find the path, and click that. Click the edit, and you can find that path variable. So you want to add that path, Java path, to your program. So click the new and browse and find your that installation path, Java program files. Click the Java. In here we can install the JDK 11 or that JDK 8. So click this and click the bin and click OK. Add the JDK 1.8 bin in here, bin, and click OK and click OK, OK, and close this. If you are going to check that it's installed correct or not, go to the CMD. In the CMD you can type the Java, and if you get like this, then the installation is success, and click Java. This is Java compiler. Check this also work correctly, so you get that no error messages, so the installation is successful. So thank you so much.